Okay guys, so let's start with this little jar they have in Dollar Tree and this clear plate as well. Then I'm going to take my silver spray paint and spray paint it. But before that, I'm going to take the clear plate and take the sticker out. And I'm going to take some hot glue and place it all the way around it. And then attach it to the top just like that. Hold it into place until it's attached. Then after that, I'm gonna take some hot glue and this candle holder. I'm gonna use 3 of them. Just place it on top, just attach it with hot glue or any other glue that you're doing for better attachment. Then after you attach all the 3 on top, then go ahead and spray paint it in silver. Then this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple to do. Just place 3 candles on top and you have a beautiful home decor. And then just put some rocks inside the plate, and this is how beautiful it turns out. But you cannot just leave it as that. You could also turn it into a flower centerpiece, so you could just put flower inside, and this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This could be for a party decoration, not just a home decor. You can decide which one you would like to do. Now for the next DIY, I took one of this little bell from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take the top out like that. So it's pretty simple. Just pull it out and it should come out easily for you guys. Then after you take it out, go ahead and grab some of these containers that comes like a little beads, but I'm gonna use the container on top. But you can also use the napkin rings that they have in Dollar Tree if you don't find these little containers. So go ahead and put some hot glue and attach it to the top of the belt like that. Then after you guys do that, go ahead and take some hot glue and attach the glass on top like that. So then after that, go ahead and spray paint it in black or whatever color you're doing. And then I'm going to put some floral foam inside. So just put little pieces until you fill up the whole thing. Once it's fill up the whole thing, go ahead and put your cute little branches. I'm going to do this white one that I found here. So I'm going to do it with white and around it and black. So just go ahead and place some black around it as well. But I also place a few small one at the bottom just so you won't show the floral foam. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Something so simple and so inexpensive that you guys can do for your home decorations. I think this will look great also in another colors, and you can also add flowers to it if you want to use it for a party decoration. So you can use it for home decor, but you can also do it for a party. So now for the next DIY, I'm going to grab one of this little clear ball, glass ball like this one. This is like the medium size, but they also have the smaller size like that. So I'm gonna take my hot glue and place it around it all the way the glass of the first one, and then I'm gonna take the small one and attach it to the top like that. Then once you guys do that, go ahead and put more hot glue at the inside of the smaller glass, and I'm gonna take this small glass they have in Dollar Tree as well and place it inside the glass. Go ahead and spray paint it in black, and this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is another home decor that you guys can do, and it's so inexpensive. I love how it turns out, and I hope you guys like it as well. Please comment down below and letting me know which one is your favorite out of all of them. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.